What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial we're gonna talk about Temu mobile app once more. Specifically in today's app I'm gonna teach you how you can use your credit balance, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, let's jump straight to it. So basically, your credit balance is the amount of money you're having on your account. So when you go to You in the bottom section of your screen, you are gonna see a credit balance button. So when you press on it, it basically shows how much money you have left on your Temu mobile app. So basically, let's see how and why to use it. So how to use Temu credit. Your credits will be automatically applied to eligible orders to checkout. So basically, when you go, as I explained to you, when you go to You tab and click credit balance, there's nothing additional to do at the checkout. Your Temu credits will automatically apply to eligible orders, making your shopping experience that much smoother. So that's their basically simple explanation. So your credit balance is basically the amount of money you're having on Temu mobile app, and that amount of money you can spend on purchasing items. So if you have $100, you're not able to buy, let's say, a jacket of $150. Basically, if you don't have enough credits, you will not be able to make the purchase. Of course, always you can add some money to your credit balance, but as I said guys, credit balance is just the amount of money. Look at it as basically you're going to the store and you can spend only the amount of money you have in your pocket. So basically that's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.